Class 5 Subject English Grammar Lesson number 2. Students, today we will discuss lesson number 2, subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Students, every sentence has two parts. Every sentence has two parts. First part of the sentence is called subject and second part of the sentence is called predicate. Clear? Subject. What is subject? Subject gives the answer of the who and what. Subject gives the answer of who and what. Now, what is predicate? Predicate contains verb. Predicate contains verb plus what the subject is doing. Plus what the subject is doing. Or you can say predicate contains verb plus object. Okay? Or you can say what the subject is doing. Next, examples. First example is the monkey ate a banana. The monkey ate a banana. First of all, we will select the verb. What is the verb in the sentence? The monkey ate a banana. Which is verb? Ate. Ate is a verb. Eat, ate, eaten. Okay. Ate is a second form. Ate is a verb. Now we will find the question. What? We will find the answer of question what or who. Okay. Monkey ate the banana. Who ate the banana? The monkey. Who ate banana? The monkey. That's why the monkey is what? The monkey is a subject. Okay. Who ate the banana? The monkey. The monkey is a subject and ate. It's a verb, na? Verb plus a banana. Verb plus a banana is a predicate. Ate plus verb plus object. ठीक है. Verb plus object, it's a predicate. Clear? Again. Now okay. Next, we should remember that predicate contains verb plus object. Next, again, second example, the dog was barking loudly. The dog was barking loudly. Again, we will find the verb first. Was barking. Both are verbs. It's a helping verb. It's a main verb. Was barking. It's a verb. Now we will find the question who or what. We will find the answer of question who or what. Who was barking? The dog. That's why the dog is a subject. Now it's a verb. Verb plus object. It's a predicate. Clear? It's very simple, beta. We will find the answer of question who or what. That is our subject. And after subject what comes? Verb, now. Verb plus object, both are predicate. Okay. Next, so easiest way to find out subject and predicate, you have to follow 3 steps. Again repeat, I am going to repeat it again, beta. We have to follow 3 steps to find out the subject and predicate. Number 1, identify the verb first. First of all, we will identify the verb. As in this sentence, we find the verb first, no? Was barking. Then we find the question who or what, है ना? The same way, identify the verb first. If you will identify the verb, you can ask the question who or what. After identify the verb, you can ask the question what or who. Okay. Next, second step, ask a question who or what before the verb. After verb, ask the question. Okay, who or what. And third step, the answer of who or what is our subject and the remaining part is our predicate. The answer of who or what is our subject and the remaining part is our predicate. Remaining part, what left after subject? Verb plus object. Okay. What left afterward? Verb plus object. That is called predicate. Some more examples. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Now find out the verb from it. Okay, I hope you find it. Verb is. This is a verb. This is a verb now. Is. Okay. Honesty is the best policy. Is the best policy. What is the best policy? Honesty. We got the answer of what. Clear? What is the best policy? Honesty. So it's a subject and it's a verb plus object. It's a predicate. Clear? Second example. I asked her to call me. I asked her to call me. What is a verb in this sentence? Which is verb? Asked. Asked. What asked? No, not any question. Who asked? I. Who asked? Who asked? I. So what is a subject? I is a subject and asked is a verb. Now verb plus object to last remaining part full. Okay, verb plus remaining full part. It's a predicate. It's a predicate. Here we will see one or two more examples. Next, Sachi is listening to music. Sachi is listening to music. Now again find out the verb first. First of all, verb is plus listening. Is listening. ठीक है? Is listening. Who? Is listening. Who? Sachi. We got the answer of who now? Sachi. That's why Sachi is a subject. Is listening is a verb plus remaining full part. Okay, plus object, or we can say remaining full part from verb to last. It's a predicate. Clear? Next, sometimes subjects comes at last. It's not compulsory beta that subject always comes at first. Sometimes subjects comes at last. You just find out the answer of question. Which question? Who or what. ठीक है? हाँ जी. See one example. On top of the tree lives a sparrow. On top of the tree lives a sparrow. Now find out the verb. First step. What is the first step? First step is to find out the verb. Which is verb? To top of the tree lives a sparrow. Which is verb? Lives. Lives is a verb. Now ask the question. Who? Who lives? A sparrow. A sparrow. A sparrow is what now? A sparrow is a subject. We got the answer of who. Who lives? A sparrow. A sparrow is a subject. Now this is a verb. Verb plus this remaining full part. This is object na. It's telling about subject. What is the subject? What is the subject? Lives on the on top of the tree. Verb plus remaining full part is a predicate. Predicate. Clear? Now one more example. Show me how to do it. Show me how to do it. But it's an imperative sentence. In our previous chapter we have discussed now about imperative sentence. In imperative sentence there is a order, request or command. Whenever there is a order, it starts with the help. It starts with verb. Okay, imperative sentence in with order starts with the verb. Show me how to do it. Show is a verb. Now where is a subject? What show? Who show? We are not there is not and we are not getting answer of who now. So that's why in imperative sentences subject is understandable. I told you in our previous lecture also. In imperative sentences subject is understandable, as like you show me, show me how to do it. Okay, or you show me your notebook, you show me your nails, you show me your uniform. We are saying this way now. So it's here subject is a understandable. Okay, you call, got it? You. Again revise it again. Subject. The subject of the sentence is what or whom the sentence is about. Okay, who or what. Next, predicate. A predicate is the part of a sentence that tells what the subject is doing or what the subject is. What the subject is doing or what the subject is. Or we can say in predicate, predicate starts with verb plus object. It contains verb plus object. Clear to all? I hope you understand.